Hi there, Janet Fritz here for Galaxy Girl Creations. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to the Paw Your Way into Our Hearts series combined with Kit Conspiracy. I am using my Spectrum Sherbet kit that MK and I both chose to use for as much of the month of February as possible because we both have a ton of it. So I'm starting with this blue paper. Well, it's not exactly blue, but it's from the other side of it's blue. So I really liked that it had those like brush marks at the top, and so I went to the palette rub-ons and pulled out more of those rub-ons or more of those brush mark looking things and decided to kind of complete the look at the bottom. It's not an exact match to the top because the brush marks are a lot wider, but I decided to that was okay. I would just go with the widest ones that were available out of the palette rub-ons. I really like the way that this ends up looking. It's wasn't an idea that I had thought of originally, but I really like this paper and I wanted to keep this one really simple because it matches our dog so well. The ice blue kind of look in the background just goes perfectly with her eyes, and then the gray tones just match her. Like, I couldn't have picked a better paper. So that's why I decided just to keep it really simple. So this is going to be a quick video because it's so simple. While I go ahead and rub those on, I wanted to just remind you there are a bunch of people playing along with the Paw Your Way into Our Heart series, and all of their links are down below for you, so you can go and check out all of their videos that are related to their beloved pets. So pulling out more of the Spectrum Sherbet collection, I really liked the piece that said Big Smiles, but then I found this other piece that says You Bring the Smiles, which I thought worked better because she really does make us smile a lot, and she's not actually smiling in the photo, so the big smiles didn't work as well. She is a bit much. She's over the top, but we do love her dearly. So, and by over the top, I mean she's an escape artist and she's very vocal. It's kind of a husky thing, but she is super talkative and makes a lot of noise and is very demanding. And she's not very old, so I don't think well, she might be coming up on a year pretty soon here. We don't know her exact age because she's a rescue. But I thought, I'll go ahead and document how much she makes us smile. And then I had this little piece that I just cut out. That is actually from the 49 and Market Christmas collection that I used over the holidays. And it says naughty or nice on it. And I thought that was perfect for this as well, because sometimes she's very naughty and sometimes she's very nice. She's hilarious because she loves to play in the ice cold water from the hose. She tries to drink it, or tries to get it with her mouth, and she thinks it's all fun and games, but if you give her a bath, oh my gosh, it's like the end of the world is happening, and she will try and claw her way out away from you. And if she can't claw her way past you, she will literally, like if I hold the front of her in the tub, she will climb backwards up the walls with her back legs. So she's kind of a nut. But again, she makes us smile. So I thought we'd go ahead and use this You Bring the Smiles piece. She's also very cuddly and very sweet about a lot of things. Not the bath, but a lot of other things. And she's kind of your little troublemaker, but a lovable troublemaker. Yeah, I see her looking at me in the photo there, and it's like she's saying to me, why are you talking about me, Mom? But anyway, we've only had her since August, so we're still learning all of her little nuances, and, new situations are always interesting to discover how she's going to react. But that is pretty much it, you guys. I'm leaving this one super simple. I just added that butterfly. The butterfly is from the Alina collection. It's very similar to one of the butterflies that is in the Spectrum Sherbet collection. But this butterfly has been sitting on my desk for a while, and it matched perfectly. So rather than using another rub-on out of the other one, out of the Spectrum Sherbet collection, I decided just to use the rub-on that I already had sitting on my desk. I'm also using this little arrow to point down just because it's the same color. Everything's kind of monochromatic here about this layout, and I really love the way that it ends up looking. I did use some Nuvo sparkle spray there to sprinkle around the embellishment areas, and that is in Marine Mist. That's it, you guys. Super simple. I hope that you enjoy this one, and if you have any questions or comments, you can leave those down below. Don't forget to check out everyone else playing along, and hit that thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. And if you're not already subscribed, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel as well. I appreciate all the time that you choose to spend with me when I release a video. So thanks for watching, and I will see you guys again real soon with another video. Bye-bye.